Not sure what kind of quality video I'm going to get from my phone as it gets posted to YouTube. GoPro is dead, but I want to get this project wrapped up. I'm working on a 2013 Toyota Tacoma with the electronic brake controller install. A lot of people have videos on where the plug is. What I never found was any videos on how to take the sill plate or kick panel out. And just because everything's plastic and, you know, people might be wary of breaking clips, I wanted to show that real quick. All the fittings, everything clips down straight into these little, lighting's kind of bad, plug-ins right here along the way. Here's the piece. So you can see just these little clips go down in. So that's what you start with, is popping that up. They have the plastic body tools at Harbor Freight, which makes it a lot easier than using screwdrivers, but you can do that. Just start on this far end to the right on the driver's door and work your way down towards the kick panel. Once that's off, you'll see some metal brackets there that hold the kick panel in, but also behind that there will be a tab down here for a there's a little rubberized nut that goes on the kick panel. Let me show that real quick. Holding that tab in down there, but it's behind the driver's dead pedal. The dead pedal just pops straight off. Everything it goes onto right there is just square clip-ons. So just get something under it from the side and start working it and pull straight up off of there. Once you did that, you can take off the little thread-on holder for the kick panel and then pop the kick panel straight out towards you in line with the door panel, and then you can get to your wiring. I really did need to do this to get to mine. A lot of people said you could reach it without taking that apart, but the wiring harnesses, apparently the location of the plug can be different among trucks. Some people even said their dealer couldn't find theirs on a truck that was equipped with the trailer towing package. My plug is this one right here, and it was so buried up behind that large loom. You see the thick green wire going up in behind the dash there. So buried up behind there, it was ridiculous. There's one plug that's taped in line that everybody shows you is not the one. There's another one hanging down up above that you can't see in the video that you can kind of, well, no. It's just so up in there. I can't even show you. It's ridiculous. But there was a plug that was white on top, black on the bottom, like it was plugged in or plugged off. And I started thinking it was that. That one was wrapped in some weird foam tape. Once I took this weird foam tape off, I was able to push that plug out of the way and actually find the correct plug. This one here, hanging down from up there. Oh, sorry about the shakiness there. So you can see the color of wires that are supposed to be coming. Let's focus there. Come on, focus. That are coming into it from the factory. Once you get that loose, you can pull it down and get plugged in. My truck also had this alarm box stuck in the way, so I really did need to take everything apart to get to it. So hopefully it helps everybody. Hopefully they don't break any of their plastic trim parts getting it apart. I ended up mounting the controller in the little cubby over here. Don't know if I recommend it. It was a real pain to get that in there. The way the brackets are, you got 2 screws that have to go up and 2 that come in from the side. And it's really, really difficult to manipulate that. I ended up having to drill holes in the plastic brackets on top of the Tacoma controller to run a screwdriver up into the screws that go vertically in there, and a lot of manipulation to get it done. I like the location, but it's definitely not easy. A lot of people say this is like a 10-minute job. I worked on this for hours yesterday just to find the dang plug. I started thinking mine was the truck that didn't have it for a while, so don't give up, keep looking. Don't know what else to tell you. Main thing was I could not find the videos on the sill plate and the kick panel, which definitely helped to have those removed. Hope this helps.